What a new day. I wish I had kids. Ugh. Wait, am I pregnant? Babies. Babies coming out. Let me see them. Ew. That boy is ugly as heck. Ew, let me take a closer look at him. Ew. But my baby girl is so cute. Hehehe. Mommy. Oh, you're so cute, my baby. Mama. Oh, she's so cute. Mama, you ain't paying attention to me. Stop it. Go. Go clean the floor. But I just Bobby. And I don't care. Go, blondie. This ugly blonde hair. I could cut it one day. Now go. What are you waiting for? All right. Oh, what's this? Did it come? Did it come from my hair? I swear I saw it drop from my hair. My hair gives toys? Did you just say your hair gives toys? I could use your hair for your sister. Now give me that toy. That's for your sister. But it comes from my hair. Go. But it came from my hair. Ooh, a teddy bear came out of my hair. I like it. Hehehe. But I must hide it from Mommy. Let's go to the dining table, sweetie. I'll hide it here. Oh, it made a loud sound. I hope she didn't hear. What was that sound? What is that teddy bear doing that? Didn't I say that all your toys go to your sister? I didn't do that. You dare lie to me. Please. Fine, sissy, you could have the toy. Ha ha ha. Two toys in life. Two toys. You know your position, chore boy. Hee. Now what do you want to do, sweetie? I don't know. I probably won't watch TV. Oh, look, ocean, ocean. Ocean. There's ocean. Did you call? Wait, what is my name? What is my name? You don't have a name. Well, your name is from now Dirty Socks. But I haven't named you yet, sweetie. Your name is Quinn. Yeah, that's a beautiful name. Thank you, Mommy. I'm not Dirty Socks. I go into sleep. That is my bed. Get out. Oh, I'm sorry. Ew, I don't want to touch your filthy butt. Sweetie, I'm gonna go to bed, okay? Okay. Brother. Yes. I saw Mommy tweet you like that. I give you this. Thank you, sissy. I don't know why she don't like you. I have to act bad to you in front of her, okay? Or else I'm gonna get in trouble. Okay. Thank you, sissy. You're welcome. Now, what? Have you eaten? No, not ever since. Mommy only feed you. Okay, you could eat then. I get you an egg. Is it good? Yes. I love it. It's so good. I guess you're having more. I want more. It's so good. What is this? Ew, cheese. I've never played the game with someone before. Well, now you have. Hey, guess what? Let's play a game. You have the cheese touch. You have the cheese touch. You have the cheese touch. What is that noise? Is this boy causing trouble again? No, he's not. He's not. We were just playing. Well, you can't play with him because he's ugly. Sweetie, you could only play with your teddy, not him. He has blonde hair and he will always. Why Mommy hate me? Now I have nobody to play with. Oh, I have a plan. Let me come discuss it. Come, brother. I have a plan. What's the plan? We could sell the toys for money. Oh yeah, we can. Then we can get rich and buy our own house. Yeah, we can. I heard on YouTube that this toy worth $1,000, enough to buy a house. And this toy worth $10,000. So let's go buy a house. Really? Yeah, let's go. And this one worth so much. So let go. Let's run away. But first we have to check Mommy sweeping. She's sweeping really well. So let's go. Let's go to our house. We finally have our own house. And those people were so nice. We didn't even have to sell our toys. They just gave us a free house. Yeah, they did. Let's put our toys down. Alright, now let's play. But first let's explore the house. Like and subscribe for part 2.